Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the pTron Pride Lite Wired Earphones. On the front of the package, we can see some pTron branding at the top left. In the middle, we can see an image of the product. And at the bottom, we can see the Pride Lite branding and hi-fi stereo wired headset. To the right and to the left-hand side of the package, we can see the pTron Pride Lite hi-fi stereo wired headset branding once again. On the top and on the bottom are a couple of barcodes. And on the back is where most of the information pertaining to the product is. The specifications include a driver size of 10 mm. It has an impedance of 16 ohms. It has a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. It has an inline microphone. The connector used is a 3.5 mm aux, and the cable itself is 1.2 meters long. In terms of features, it says here that it is ergonomic, lightweight, and metallic. Features hi-fi sound. It has call and music controls and gives you an hands-free experience. Below that, we can see the various color options that are available for this product, and here we can see on the sticker that we have the blue colored variant. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. What we get in the package are the earphones themselves and a pair of additional ear tips for different size ear canals. We have the blue colored variant as we spoke about earlier. The earbuds themselves have a metallic finish. They are non-magnetic, and here we can see the inline microphone. The inline microphone unit also has a remote which can be used to answer or reject calls, and it has a volume slider to change the volume. We know that it has a 1.2 meter long cable. The cable itself is round in shape and very lightweight, so basically it can be very portable. And that is about it for this unboxing. Thank you for watching.